Guys, in this video, we will be learning what is identity operator in Python. I am using editor PyCharm. Python 3.12 version is installed on my machine. So many of you guys see A double equals operator B, A is B and A is not B. So we'll be discussing is operator, is not operator, and finally we'll see difference between is and double equals operator. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Now, what is the identity operator in Python? The identity operator in Python is a comparison operator, right? That is used to check whether two objects are pointing to the same memory location in the computer's memory or not. Okay, so there are two type of identity operators: is and is not. What is operator? The is operator is one of the identity operator in Python. It is used to check whether two variables refer to the same object in memory, returning true if they do and false otherwise. Okay, let's say I have variable a. We have some list items. I'm assigning a variable to b variable, and then finally c variable is having same type of elements. If you print a is b, then you will get true because the memory address of a and b variable is same. You see, this is true. So a and b refers to the same object. That is why it is true. If you write print a is c, then what you will get? So you will get a is c is not equals because their object refers different memory address. That's why it is saying false. You see, let's see what is not operator. The is not operator is also an identity operator in Python. It is used to check whether two variables refers to different object in memory, returning true if they do and false otherwise. Let's print if a is not b. Okay, so first run it. So you will get false because A and B is the same. Let's say if we say print A is not C, what will be the output? So it will return true. You see, because A and C refers different memory location, right? Now let's see difference between is operator and double equal operators. This is most common interview questions. Difference between is operator and double equals operator. So the is operator and double equals operator are both comparison operators, right? But they have different functionality. The is operator check if two objects have the same identity. They are the same object in memory. On the other hand, double equal operators checks if two objects have the same value, right? So double equals operators check whether value of two objects are same, but is operators check whether two objects are having same memory address, same memory location. This is the difference. If we take x equals to 1, 2, okay, and y equals to same element we can take, and now check. Okay, first we check is operator, x is y, so it will print false because they has different memory locations, both object. If we print x double equals to y, so it will give you true because this double equal operator is checking value of these variables which is equal. That's why it is returning true. Now you are clear with is and is not operator and double equal operator. The identity operator in Python is useful tool for checking object identity and improving the performance of the Python code, right? It provides several benefits including faster execution, guaranteed object identity. Overall, understanding the identity operators and its limitations can help developers write more efficient and reliable Python code. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any question, any query, you can leave your query in the comment box. We will try to cover those queries in upcoming videos.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.